Notion is one app I've been using. I'm using a free version for content curation. Notion.so. I've been using Notion for the past 1 month, and it's been super duper helpful. So another way to even create content is when you see something that you like, something impactful to you, all you have to do is copy the link of that content and keep it there. So this is Notion now. The first thing to do in Notion is to log in with your Gmail or company email address. So this is my own Notion now. This is the web view. There's a mobile app for it. So this first, from here, getting started, quick note, task, the journal list, personal home, reading list. These are ones that, like, you know, the ones that came with the website. So you can create your own pages. Like that, add a page. When you set up your Notion, like you create your account. On the web this thing, you can create a page. Same thing with the mobile, you can create a page. So this page now, I can just easily call it anything. Maybe like, see how I did my own. Based on what it helps me to stay organized. It helps me to be able to gather all my content. Now let me show you. For the next 1 month or 2 months, all the content I will create online, I already have them. And how did I do that? I didn't start putting together the idea in one day. No, I had this Notion and I started putting them together. Let me show you. Content calendar. I labeled this content calendar. This is for me. So this is, I've been creating this content. All the content you'll be seeing on LinkedIn. See, from here to here, this was where I stopped. This is today's zone. I've not colored it. So I'll color it to now show that where's my coloring stuff? Okay. Right, no showing. All right, I'll do that for my mobile version. So these are content. So when I still go online, I see, okay, I come back and add it here. So these are content. For the next 2 months, I'm covered. And the more I stumble into something, I can, you know, I'm on Instagram and I see a content somebody created. I rephrase it, paraphrase, I come back here and add it as an idea that I will do. So I'm never out of what to post. I'm never out of what to post. So I use this thing. No, some companies also use Notion as their website because you can have several pages. You can have, like this now, I can put a header, a cover above here. I can add comments, you know, I can share, I can pin, you know, there's so many things you can do on Notion. See? You can create new pages, arrange your ideas. I call this one mind dump. Why I call it mind dump is where I come and do my creating. Like I write, when I'm done writing, I copy it again and paste. That's why I call it mind dump. These are where I plan my, like, I just sit down and I put things here. Because truth is, you can never remember everything. You can't remember every single thing you see online that is helpful to you. So how do you remember easily? You put them down. So you don't have to write them all the time. Let me show you my resources is where I drop all the links I find online. These are all the links I found online that are helpful. I'm on somebody's handle and I'm like, oh, wow, this thing is amazing. It's possible I might not even remember. By the time I come back, like someone like Justin Welsh now that creates new content a day. If I saw a post in the morning, by evening, he would have made another post. And maybe by the time I need what he posted, it might be like 1 week after. For me to track down what he posted, it might be a lot. So I'll just simply come here and copy the link and post here. So these are different links. So anytime I want to learn something again or try to, I feel like I'm out of ideas or what to do or how to do something, I come back to my resources and copy one of this link and open it and go through it again. See, look at this one now. Common interview questions and answers. I saw it on Twitter and I copied it here and put it here. So you easily on the go, I'm saving things. So these are easy ways to do your stuff. So I hope this thing was really helpful. It's not an exhaustive explanation about Notion. I'll see do another video for it, but I hope it was helpful.